Why is George Eliot considered one of the greatest novelists of the Victorian era? In this video, you will discover the unique qualities that make her novels timeless masterpieces. Realism is one of the important characteristics of George Eliot's novels. George Eliot presents life as it is with realistic characters and situations. Her characters and situations are not idealized. Psychological insight is also an important characteristic of George Eliot's novels. George Eliot's novels explore the thoughts, emotions, motives, and inner conflicts of characters in great depth. Moral seriousness is also an important feature of her novels. In her novels, George Eliot examines ethical choices and their consequences, emphasizing personal responsibility. Rural and provincial life is also another feature. Many of the author's works depict the everyday life, customs, and social relationships of English provincial communities. Her characters are complex. George Eliot's characters are multidimensional. They possess both strengths and weaknesses. Then there is social criticism in her novels. She critiques social conventions, class distinctions, religious hypocrisy, and gender limitations. George Eliot's novels have intellectual and philosophical themes. Her novels often discuss religion, duty, human sympathy, education, and moral growth. Also, George Eliot's novels have sympathy and humanism. In her novels, the writer encourages understanding and compassion for human weaknesses and struggles. Her novels have strong female characters. Many of George Eliot's heroines are intelligent, ambitious, and seek self-fulfillment despite social restrictions. Then, her novels have a detailed narrative style. George Eliot's writing includes rich descriptions, reflective commentary, and careful analysis of human behavior. Now I'll take you through some examples from George Eliot's novels. We have 4 novels here: Middlemarch, The Mill on the Floss, Silas Marner, and Adam Bede. In this video, we are discussing these 4. So Middlemarch, this novel has realism, social criticism, and psychological depth. Then The Mill on the Floss, this novel has a strong female protagonist and moral conflict. Silas Marner, this novel reflects humanism, redemption, and rural life. And then Adam Bede, this novel of George Eliot has a realistic portrayal of provincial society and moral responsibility. With this, I come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for being here. See you soon. Bye.